girls, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I hope you all are doing great. And right now in this back to school season that all of us parents are getting ready for, Yoobi, a company, reached out to me to share a couple of school supplies that they sent me, and I'm going to give these school supplies to my little sister. She was a little camera, but she is going to the 8th grade, and so I know she will absolutely love these items. So let me share with you what they sent me, and they have lots of other stylish styles. I know if you've seen that Walmart commercial where the kids are gigantic, they're walking through the school like football field. I saw they had like some boy, I think he's carrying like a notebook with a little stereo on it. I think it's really cute, so I'm gonna look for that one for JJ. So the first item that they sent to share was this one subject notebook, and it is really pretty with the rainbows on it, and it has the positive saying here that says you are great, to remind your student that they are awesome. And then I like that on all of their products that they say for every Yoobi item you buy, a Yoobi item will be donated to a classroom in this country. So I think that is awesome. And then all of their products are really stylish. Let's see. You have your colored rings there. I was trying to show you guys this pocket. There we go. So you have a pocket here in the front and one in the back here. And then you have, it looks like this is college roll paper for the one subject notebook. And then they also sent a pencil pouch. Like, it's really good quality. Nice sturdy rings. Very colorful. And an easy zip here. Let's see. Or maybe you have to tear it. Yeah, you have to cut it off. With a really nice thick tab so you can open it quickly. And then lastly, they sent some pencils. So this is a pack of 24 very colorful, vibrant pencils. Oh, and they already sharpened. That is neat. Already sharpened. So you can go ahead and pull it out and be ready for school. So guys, make sure you check out the Yoobi products at your local Walmart. Thanks so much, Yoobi, for sending this out to me. I was familiar with their products from before, and we have to do some back to school shopping, so we will definitely stop by the Yoobi area in Walmart and see what they have for my boys. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.